When you don't have a lot of space for gardening, the best thing to do is get yourself a pot and put some soil in it and go gardening. Now, I cook all the time, 24/7, and I use scallions just about all the time. And it just brings so much flavor to whatever you're making. Now, you can get this from the grocery stores or a farmer's market. Make sure you get the ones with the roots attached. And that way, with this, you can actually plant the roots in the soil and it'll grow. Scallions love cold, cool climate or weather. So this can actually stay out until it's freezing cold. And you can bring it inside, or you can just go ahead and leave it outside, just cover it, and it'll just do beautifully. Of course, a lot of the vegetables, they do better outside. So what I like to do is just leave it, if you have a balcony, just leave it right outside and it'll just do its thing. Now, what I do, you get this and I cut it about 1 inch from the roots, just like this. And of course, you eat the top. Now, what you do, you take this and you poke a hole into the soil and put this right in. And just cover it so that where you cut it shows, and then you just water. Now, you don't have to do a whole lot, just water and watch it grow. And here's the ones that I planted a while ago, and how beautiful. And all I have to do is come on out and just cut it. Now, what I do is I cut it right at the top of the soil and just cut it just like that. And voila, I have this beautiful spring onion that I can put into any of the dishes that I make. Now, where it's cut, don't take the roots out because that's where it grows again and again and again. This is I call it magic vegetable. It just keeps growing and you don't ever have to go out there and buy it again because once the root is planted, it'll just keep growing. Now, just because I like to cook with spring onions, you don't have to. You can go ahead and pretty much grow anything in the pot. Basil, chives, any kind of small herbs you can grow, and you have herbs ready to be picked at all time of the year. And it's just the most wonderful thing. Cook away.